Hey there. So, you're wondering how to make him or her love you more. First off, love isn't something we can force, but we can deepen it, grow it, and nurture it. Whether you're in a relationship or hoping to spark something more, let's talk about 3 powerful things you can do to build real, lasting connection. Be emotionally present. Number 1, be emotionally present. That means listening, really listening. Put your phone down, make eye contact. Ask how their day went and care about the answer. When they talk, don't just wait for your turn to speak. Respond to how they feel, not just what they say. Emotional safety is magnetic. When someone feels heard and seen by you, love starts to grow in that space. Celebrate their individuality. Second, celebrate who they are, not who you want them to be. Support their dreams, laugh at their weird jokes, admire the things that make them them. Too many people try to mold their partner into an ideal. Instead, be their biggest fan, not their critic. When someone feels accepted for who they are, not who they should be, they lean in with more love. Keep surprising them. Third, don't stop doing the little things. Whether it's sending a sweet text, planning a mini date, or just doing something thoughtful, they matter. Love grows in the moments that feel intentional. Even after the honeymoon phase, small surprises and consistency keep the spark alive. The more you make them feel special, the more they'll want to stay close. So, how do you make him or her love you more? Be present. Be genuine. Be consistent. Love isn't just found, it's built. And if you build it with patience, respect, and a whole lot of heart, you'll be amazed at how deep it can go. Thanks for listening, and remember, the most attractive thing you can be is real.